Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Larissa is here. 63 and feeling fabulous. Moved to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico in 2021 and since living my best life here. As you know, September and October is a hurricane season in Mexico. And this year we were doing pretty good. It was no much rain and everything was okay. So we were keeping our fingers crossed that this year we are going to get through and no hurricanes. But no, a couple of weeks ago forecast advised us that Hurricane Lidia is forming on the Pacific side and it's moving straight towards Puerto Vallarta, and we are going to be right in the eye of hurricane. So today I'm gonna show you how we were preparing to hurricane and how it was forming, and how we survived. Today is Monday, October 9th, and they say Hurricane Lidia is coming tomorrow and the ocean is angry. Look at this huge waves. It's definitely coming. It's Monday, October 9th, and the ocean is very angry. Look at the waves, huge. And the sky is really heavy. It looks like Hurricane Lidia is coming. They say it's coming tomorrow. And this way is Mesmaloia, Conchistinas. You can't see anything. So hopefully it's gonna go away and doesn't hit us. Today is Tuesday, October 10th, early morning, and the ocean is so angry. The waves are much bigger than yesterday. Look at this. Oh, it's probably like 6, 7, 8 meters high. And the forecast says Hurricane Lidia is coming tomorrow early in the morning. But we are still doing Tai Chi. First, Hurricane Lidia was rated as Category 1, but by Tuesday they upgraded it to Category 4. So let's see what happened. Unfortunately, camera cannot show how big are waves. They are huge. It's 4 p.m. on Tuesday and look how gray is the sky. And it's so quiet. All restaurants are closed, all stores are closed, no cars on the streets, and the Hurricane Lidia is only 3 hours away from Puerto Vallarta. It is very scary. It is 7 p.m. on Tuesday night and Hurricane Lidia is arrived. It's definitely here. Whew, the wind is so strong, it's really scary.
Why is this tears down?
Oh, oh my goodness, she has good eyes.
Why is this tears down? Mommy, why is this down?
Last night we lost power at 8 p.m. and electricity came back at 4 a.m. in the morning. I have damage in my apartment, so my bedroom is all glass. So glass goes from floor to ceiling, and one window has a crack. So it has to be changed, but not much. Thanks God, everything is all right. And actually, hurricane was very strong, but very short, like 1 hour, from 7 to 8. And it's like, it became really quiet after that. It's the next day, Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. and it's still lower overcast, but everything is quiet. I can see just a little debris in my building. Let's go outside and see how streets of Nueva Vallarta look like. There are lots of debris on the streets. Branches, big trees falling down, fences are down, but people are cleaning it very fast. This is the main street in Nuevo Nayarit called Nueva Vallarta Avenida, and as you can see, it's pretty much clean. So people start cleaning it really early in the morning, so the main street is available for people go in and out. Gracias. Let's see the beach in the morning. Look how many coconuts fell off the trees. Beach looks absolutely fine, and look at the ocean. Now it's calm. It's like nothing happened. So as they predicted, Hurricane Lidia hit Nuevo Nayarit at 7 p.m. Everything started with light rain, and then winds start pick it up, and I think it was 150 kilometers an hour. It was making such a terrible sound. The windows were shaken, and it was not a pleasant experience. My family was staying at my place. We always have a plan if in case of emergency we're staying together, and my poor grandkids, they were sitting on the couch and saying, Hurricane Lidia, go away. So yeah, it was scary. Then at 8 o'clock, the lights went off, so we didn't have electricity all night. But in the morning, everything is fine. So I don't know how much damage people have in the houses. I don't think much, because they said we were right in the eye of hurricane, and that is a good thing to be right in the center, because it's not making that much damage. More damage is outside of the path. And I'm on my way to Punta Mita to see how much damage people have there, because they predicted that Punta Mita is going to hit the most. But in overall, everything went fine, and now people are cleaning the streets, and I think, as always, people gather together, help each other, and I think in a couple hours the streets are going to be clean, and the most important, we are all fine. We survived Hurricane Lidia. Now I'm on my way home to put this video together. It's gonna be raw, no music, because I wanted to just give you a quick update on Hurricane Lidia and how did it go, and everything is fine. So thank you for watching, and ciao until the next time, but not the hurricane time.